Hello and welcome to our video on how to prevent kitchen accidents, a comprehensive standard operating procedure, SOP. Cooking is a fun and enjoyable activity, but it can also be dangerous if proper safety measures are not taken. Every year, countless kitchen accidents occur, resulting in injuries and even fatalities. However, with the right knowledge and techniques, these accidents can be prevented. That's why we've created this video to give you a comprehensive SOP on how to prevent kitchen accidents. We'll cover everything from basic safety guidelines to more advanced techniques so you can stay safe in the kitchen and enjoy your cooking experience without any worries. Whether you're a professional chef, a culinary student, or simply someone who loves to cook at home, this video will provide you with the necessary information to ensure your safety in the kitchen. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of kitchen safety and learn how to prevent kitchen accidents. Department: Food and Beverage. Section: Kitchen. Subject: Safety Guidelines. Standard Code: Comp 05. Standard: It is a kitchen standard of the hotel that all kitchen staff must follow the safety guidelines. Procedures: 1. Attendance of all training with the topic of safety. 2. First aid courses, written reports of accidents. 3. Know the emergency procedures for reporting fires. 4. Know the location of fire extinguishers and fire exits. 5. Keep the hood over ranges and cooking equipment clean and free of accumulated grease. 6. Keep oven doors closed except when loading and unloading the oven. 7. Open and ventilate gas ovens a few minutes before lighting. 8. Keep ranges, fryers, griddles, and broilers clean and free from accumulated grease. 9. Use only dry pads to move hot pans or cooking utensils. 10. Use long handles hooks to open cover of steam kettles, stir contents with long-handled paddles. 11. Stand back from equipment when opening. 12. Doors of pressure steamers and lids of steam-jacketed kettles. 13. Lift lids from the side of the pan opposite to you, allow the steam to escape. 14. Keep handles of pans over the range and away from the direct source of heat, such as over and open flame and burner. 15. Open valves of steam-jacketed kettles and urns slowly to avoid splashing hot water and steam. 16. Close all valves and spigots before filling urns or kettles. 17. Get assistance when moving heavy containers and hot food. 18. Warn others about hot pans and hot chinaware. 19. Avoid overfilling pans and containers with hot foods and liquids. 20. Wear clean uniforms that fit properly. Loose sleeves and apron strings may catch on equipment or touch a source of heat. 21. Wear safety shoes for protection from spills of hot food and liquids.
Oh, fuck.
22. Strike matches in a direction away from you. 23. Avoid spattering liquids into hot fat. 24. Keep a supply of salt in an appropriate place to extinguish fires in ovens or on stove tops. 25. Keep a supply of baking soda in an appropriate place to extinguish fires in fryers.
In case of a small fire, you can also use baking soda. Oh wow! Fire.
Easiest thing, put the lid right on top of it.
In the
Thanks Thank you for watching this video on how to prevent kitchen accidents through a comprehensive standard operating procedure (SOP). By following these guidelines, you can reduce the risk of injury or damage to property while working in the kitchen. Remember, safety should always be a top priority in any kitchen. Whether you're cooking at home or in a professional setting, it's important to take the necessary precautions to prevent accidents and keep yourself and others safe. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips on how to establish a robust SOP that ensures the safety of everyone in the kitchen. By incorporating these guidelines into your daily routine, you can create a safe and secure environment that promotes productivity and efficiency. You can get the link to download the SOP file in the description below. You can edit to adjust the detail if necessary. Hopefully this video is useful for you. If you have any questions or concerns about the information presented in this video, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to appreciate. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you all the best in your kitchen endeavors. Greetings from the hospitality world.